10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Pennsylvania's What's So Cool About Manufacturing Video Contest Finals. Coming up, we're going to celebrate 22 middle school production teams from across the state. Each of the finalists has already been recognized as among the very best in one of 13 regional What's So Cool About Manufacturing contests. Developing a theme, learning GoPro equipment, storyboarding. Production of a message is no easy task, and our third place winners invested hours upon hours producing a terrific product. What's So Cool About Manufacturing is a great way to introduce students to careers during middle school. And our next special guest has consistently demonstrated his strong commitment to cradle-to-career education during his tenure as Pennsylvania Secretary of Education. From the Pennsylvania Department of Education, please welcome Secretary Pedro Rivera.
I'm excited to virtually participate in this year's What's So Cool About Manufacturing statewide awards. At the Department of Education, we know today's students make up tomorrow's workforce. That means our future depends on you. Our goal is for every student to graduate from high school, college, career, and community ready, and to find a career pathway they're passionate about, whether it's manufacturing, engineering, or teaching. Now, on behalf of PDE, I'm proud to announce the third place statewide award goes to the Oil City Area Middle School team for their program featuring Matrix Group. Oil City Area Middle School is located in Venango County and is coached by Brian Landinelli. Congratulations, Oil City, and keep up the great work.
Welcome. I'm Olivia Vorse, and this is OCMSN. What's so cool about manufacturing? Our film takes a comprehensive look into the company, Matrix Group. This company produces electronic components that are manufactured for many different markets. Let's take a look at our film, Matrix Group, electronics and people you can count
on. We have over 300 associates working here on 2 shifts and 80,000 feet of manufacturing and administrative space. So we've grown quite a bit over the years. My expertise is not in electronics, in operations and business management. And we have a lot of very clever, very smart people working here at Matrix. And I look at my job as to, as I call it, set the table and provide the opportunities for everyone to be successful.
The engineering department designs new types of products for different uses for industries, mainly all electronics. We do hardware, software, and 3D CAD design.
I'm the director of manufacturing, which means I pretty much control all the manufacturing processes, all the different departments like cables, box build, surface mount technology. I manage all those and make sure products go through on time with good quality.
What type of markets do you serve?
So we really serve a broad spectrum, really from energy all the way to medical. We have Department of Defense contracts. We try to diversify as much as possible to offset economic downturns so that we can provide stable employment for the area.
Matrix Group, electronics and people you can count on.
There you have it. Matrix Group, a small manufacturing company located in the heart of rural Pennsylvania, but having a huge impact on electronic markets abroad and across America. I'm Olivia Vorse. This is OCMSN, and that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
On behalf of Oil City Area School District, we want to congratulate our Oil City Middle School news team on their amazing video and outstanding achievement.
We're Oiler proud of all your hard work. Go Oilers!
Hi, this is Rick Turner, the president of the Matrix Group. Congratulations to the Oil City Middle School Network on their outstanding performance in preparing the video, What's So Cool About Manufacturing.
Congratulations to Oil City Area Middle School and Matrix Group from the PA Forest and Oil region.